His Excellency, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and your wonderful wife, Her Excellency, Mrs. Jonathan. My name is Penelope Clark. I'm the first son of Chief E.K. Clark. There's a lot of people here that I need to thank for coming and celebrating his life with us. And thank you all on behalf of my siblings and wider family. But I will say one thing, Your Excellency, you were the first one to push me down the line as you came, and you are known as my father's first son. You pushed me down to number 2. But not to worry, I hold no grudges, okay? And then many others came during the condolences. As of today, I think I'm 231. But I thank Your Excellency for starting the downfall. Once again, there's been a lot of people that have come to support us. We as a family appreciate you so much. We cannot truly express the feeling that you've imparted to us. Wisdom, some of these tales that we've never heard before. But there's another thing I need to say. We've already heard people talk about it. My father's passion for a unified Nigeria. The thing is, a lot of people feel the same way. But Nigeria is not united. Nigeria needs to unite. If Nigeria wants to continue, wants to be strong in this planet of powerful nations. I keep hearing that Nigeria is a nation. Nigeria is not a nation. A nation is where its peoples are aligned. They have one vision, move in one direction. Nigeria started the process when His Excellency was in power. And Nigeria progressed slowly, but it progressed in the right direction. But Nigeria has changed. And only as a united people can we make this change happen. My father's dream of a united Nigeria, we can achieve it, but we have to do it together. Together. So I pray to all of you and to the Lord to guide us together as one. One people, one vision, one direction. Thank you all on behalf of the family. God bless you all.